In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify Collabs, an essential tool for enhancing your e-commerce store's collaborative capabilities. Let's get started with this simple yet vital process. First, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel of your screen, you'll see a variety of options. What you want to do here is focus on the Apps section, which serves as a gateway to a multitude of functionalities that can amplify your store's potential. Click on Apps, and that will open up a host of options. Now, use the search feature to look for Shopify Collabs. As you type, the search will narrow down the options, quickly bringing you to the app you need. Once you've located Shopify Collabs, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page specifically for this app. Here, you'll find detailed information about what Shopify Collabs can offer. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this overview so that you have a solid understanding of its features and benefits. When you're ready, you'll see the option to install the app, usually in a prominent button on this page. Click Install, and Shopify will begin the installation process. This action will trigger the app to automatically integrate into your admin dashboard. And voila! Once the installation is complete, the app will open directly on your dashboard, ready for you to start using. The next step is to initiate the setup process by clicking on Get Started. This step is crucial as it prepares your Shopify Collabs to function seamlessly with your store. Be sure to follow the setup instructions closely. They're designed to be straightforward and intuitive, guiding you through connecting the necessary dots so that Shopify Collabs is configured to your store's precise needs. These setup steps may include linking your account, adjusting permissions, or choosing specific collaboration settings. Take your time with this part and ensure everything aligns properly with your business goals and processes. Having completed the setup, you're now ready to dive into all that Shopify Collabs has to offer. And there you have it. Installation and setup are complete. With Shopify Collabs now at your fingertips, you can start exploring its wide range of features designed to boost collaboration and potentially elevate your business to new heights. Whether it's managing partnerships or enhancing your marketing initiatives, this app is equipped to support your growth. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for assistance. Until next time, happy selling!